creating your video with Camtasia. Okay, obviously what you're watching right now was actually created with Camtasia, so it's good stuff. I definitely recommend it. It's pretty much the standard if you're going to be using creating screen capture things, which means that when Camtasia is recording something, whatever you do on your desktop can automatically be captured. You see, that's me moving that arrow around there. Again, I can also go to the internet and capture things that way. You know, what I type in and what I look at. So it's really cool. But essentially what I'm going to show you with here now is how to use Camtasia to take your PowerPoint presentations and make a video out of it. The first thing that you do is you open up Camtasia on your computer, and again, Camtasia, I think it's about $150. However, you can download a free trial for 30 days, which is certainly a lot of time to play around with it. Once you have the program, you open it up, and it looks a little something like this. I am using a version that's a little bit outdated. I really do need to upgrade. Sometimes I don't like to upgrade because then you're not familiar with things, and that can throw you for a loop. But it should look similar to this. And essentially, what you do here is you're going to click on Record the Screen, and a box is going to come up, and that box is going to be what you record with. So essentially, what I'll do is I will go through and I'll open up my slideshow presentation. Then I'll go back to Camtasia and hit record, and then just go through and advance the slides, as time elapses. Now, of course, if you want to, if you have a microphone plugged in your computer, you can just do audio, and then or you could not talk and just put video. Put some type of audio with it after the video is filmed, or you can do both. Once you have the video completed, you go back into here, and let me show you how easy it is to edit. Here is a slideshow presentation that I did recently. I'm just going to go ahead and take that and drag it right into there, and there is the video that I filmed. But of course, we also need music or some type of audio, so I'm going to go ahead and import that in as well. There you go. Just pull that right in there, and now I have my video and also my audio. So I'm going to go ahead and trim off the excess there. Again, if you have this program, please feel free to review the documentation. It's very good. It'll show you exactly how to use it. I just want to give you the overview here. Also, you can see, and please note at the end of my video, I have my promotion for my site, of course. Once I have the video ready to mix it, I just want to show you the settings that I use. Just go up here to Custom Production Settings. I typically output it as an AVI video. You can go ahead and use Flash. However, I gotta tell you, I've had some problems with converting to Flash. Sometimes things get trimmed off the beginning or the end. It's really weird. AVI hasn't given me a problem, so that's what I suggest you use. I keep the frame rate at 5. I leave all this like it is. I send it to be a 640 by 480 video size. That's worked out well for me. I would not suggest making it too big because then your video file is going to get really big. And then you can have a watermark if you want to. That can be nice. Your watermark could be the actual URL for your website. You can do that. You don't have to. Okay, we'll leave that the same. And then you can see here that I will, call this whatever I want to call it, and then just hit finish, and it'll go ahead and render the video, and I'm left with an AVI file. Now, if you watch the other method, please note that that video I made was a WMV. It doesn't really matter. Both these formats are more than fine to be submitting to the video sites. So AVI is how I do it in Camtasia. WMV is how I do it if I was going to use Windows Movie Maker. So again, I know that was kind of a quick run through. Please also feel free to look in the book to further review these methods and how to make these videos. But it really is not that hard. Just the whole process of creating these slides and then, of course, getting them captured on video. Once you have your video, then you are ready to start submitting it, and that's what we'll start talking about in the next video.